Hello, welcome to Defense News.
Indian Air Force test fires extended range Brahmos cruise missile from SU-30 MKI. The Indian Air Force, IAF, on Thursday successfully fired the extended-range version of Brahmos air-launched supersonic cruise missile against a ship target from an SU-30 MKI fighter aircraft. The missile achieved the desired mission objectives in the Bay of Bengal region. With this, IAF has achieved a significant capability boost to carry out precision strikes from SU-30 MKI aircraft against land and sea targets over very long ranges, the IAF said in a statement. The current air-launched missile weighs 2.65 tons, which will come down to 1.33 tons with the Brahmos NG, next generation, that is under development. With this, a SU-30 MKI will be able to carry up to 4 Brahmos NG missiles, while the Light Combat Aircraft, LCA, will be able to carry 2 missiles, as reported by The Hindu. What are your views on this? Let us know in the comment, and please don't forget to subscribe for more defense and war videos.